welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have the second look using the Mini Love Story palette by Natasha Denona. As you saw, I already used the Love Cheek Duo Cream Blush and highlighter. If you want a full walkthrough on how I did it, you can check out my previous video. I will link it in the eye and in the description box below. I'm gonna take R and I'm gonna apply it in the crease. What I have in mind for today's Valentine's Day look, it's a blown out purple smoky eye. Hopefully it turns out how I'm envisioning it in my head. First, we have to lay down this muted purpley shade in the crease to help us blend this deeper purple that we're gonna use today. Now I'm doing the same exact thing on my other eye. Taking a flat shader brush, I'm taking that same exact shade and bringing it to the lower lash line. Now with a pointed flat shader brush, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's called My. Ooh, it's a beautiful plummy shade. I'm going to apply this all over my lid. It's gonna look crazy for a second. Gonna do the same exact thing on my other eye. With the same brush that we used R with, I'm gonna grab a little bit of R and I'm gonna go all over the plummy shade. I'm actually gonna take a tougher blending brush and I'm just gonna make sure this is evenly dispersed, and it's also smaller, so if you have smaller eyes, you should use smaller blending brushes. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the dark purple. I'm gonna go back and forth right on top. That looks so pretty. Purples are by no means easy to blend with, but these two purples were really easy to work with, I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm gonna take an even smaller shader brush and I'm gonna go into True and I'm gonna apply this in the inner corner. This helps so that your purple eyeshadow doesn't make you look like you just got punched in the face. I love this highlight shade. It's like a frosty light pink shade. I'm actually gonna bring it up a little higher into that purple. Then I'm gonna take the same highlighting shade and put it up here. And this is look number 2. Again, it was quick and easy. You just have to have a little bit of patience with the blending. 3 eyeshadows and you're done. You're ready to go on a very romantic date night this Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and I will see you guys tomorrow.